Let's have a talk about Ford Factory and how it works. A Ford Factory has an instant deployment model, and it's a no-code drag and drop interface which any platform can use to install an open source application integrated with the smart contracts of choice. All these smart contracts are fully customizable, and they're pre-integrated with Ford protocol and with Ford tokens. The Ford protocol architecture will be layered. It literally divides each of the segments of the value-driven economy into multiple smart contracts to provide solutions for specific problems. And each organization will be able to set the fees within those smart contracts, which based on their revenue models, turn features on and off, set terms and policies, and easily integrate the smart contracts with their business model. The protocol is designed to help platforms deploy and become blockchain ready with a much shorter lead time that would be expected if they were to develop a platform for themselves. It's built to be easy to use, and if I had to describe Ford in a line, it would be blockchain adoption for dummies. We make it really easy for people outside of blockchain to come in and utilize the power of blockchain. It's easy to use, it's open source, it's drag and drop. You've got complete control and you set your own fees. There's a no-code interface, it's simple and scalable. It integrates with your ecosystem and you don't need any technical knowledge to use it. You can deploy and scale for free and have the power of blockchain at your fingertips without needing to know too much about the technology. And I think that's a very powerful feature for companies that are looking to integrate with blockchain and utilize the functionality and the power that the technology offers.